In this final step of creating our graham cracker gingerbread house, we're going to create this cute little snowman to adorn our house. You need to start with 3 marshmallows. And we squish them down a bit to make them kind of rounded looking. I'm going to put a dab of our royal icing. I'll hold his body parts together. Squish those together. And in his middle section there, I'm going to take a toothpick and break it in half and stick that in the sides for his arms. And as the little head goes on, same way. Let's try to find a good front. Let's see. There he goes. I'm going to take this piece of candy. These are these little jelly candy strips, and it's kind of sparkly and striped like a scarf. And we're going to wrap it around his neck. Put a little dab of royal icing to hold his scarf in place. Now we're going to keep a damp rag nearby because we're going to take 2 gumdrops. One we're going to just squeeze flat like the brim of a hat. Just flatten it out until it gets to be a coin shape. If it starts getting sticky, use your damp rag. And then the other gumdrop we're going to squish down just a bit, like a hat. Whoop! And our poor snowman fell over. We're going to lean him up against there. I'm going to take another toothpick and break it in half. Stick it halfway through the brim. And I'm going to put a little dab on that. Go into the jelly. And before I put his hat on, I'm going to use a toothpick dipped in my black paste here. This is just black food coloring, but it's in a paste form. And very tiny, I'm going to dot 2 eyes. And a little mouth. Just drawing it on with a toothpick. And we'll attach his hat. And I'm going to use a little bit of royal paste and attach him here by our house. And there he is. And the final touch, we're going to add a little bit of snow. And that's how you make a snowman and a graham cracker gingerbread house.